In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a product not showing on Shopify in 2020. If you've ever logged into your Shopify store only to discover that one of your products is mysteriously not displaying, don't worry. This is a common issue Shopify users encounter, and I'm here to guide you step by step through troubleshooting and resolving this problem to get your product visible and ready for customers to buy. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Open your web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a sidebar with various options. From here, we will begin the process to ensure your product is visible. Next, let's locate the product that isn't showing. Head over to the Products section in your admin menu. Click on it and you will see a list of all products currently listed in your store. For this walkthrough, we'll use Example Shirt 2 as the product we're going to deal with. So click on this product to open its details page. Now that you're in the product details, you need to check its status. On the right side, you'll find a little section labeled Status. The status of your product dictates whether it will be visible on the storefront or not. Click on this section to review the current state of your product. Within the status menu, you need to ensure your product is set to active. If it's not already active, make sure to select it. This is a crucial step because if the status is set to draft or archived, the product won't be visible to customers browsing your store. Simply click on Active to change its status if needed. With this change, you've made sure that your product should now display on your site. And there you have it, a thorough process to ensure your products are visible on Shopify. Remember, sometimes other factors could affect product visibility, such as whether it's part of a specific collection meant to be viewed publicly. But as long as your product status is set to active, it's fundamentally ready to show up in your store. If your issue persists despite following these steps, consider looking into additional troubleshooting like checking your theme settings or contacting Shopify support for further assistance. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now feeling confident in resolving product visibility issues in your Shopify store. Don't forget to share this video with anyone else who might be facing similar issues and subscribe for more Shopify tips and solutions. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your online store.